ready to take control of your crypto trades and lock in profits on Kraken. This short guide will show you exactly how to set a sell limit order, a powerful tool that allows you to specify the price at which you want to sell your cryptocurrency. First, log into your Kraken account and navigate to the trade section. This is where you'll execute your buy and sell orders. Make sure you're on the sell tab now. Under order type, select limit. This tells Kraken you want to place a limit order. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell in the amount field. Double check this to avoid mistakes. This is crucial. In the price field, enter the price at which you want to sell your crypto. This is your limit price. Your order will only execute if the market price reaches or exceeds this value. To set take profit price easily, you can use take profit option on the left. Type percentage you would like to take profit, and price will be calculated automatically. Some platforms let you specify the order's duration. You can choose options like good till canceled, or immediate, or cancel. Pick whichever suits your trading strategy. Now, review all the details one last time. If everything looks correct, click the sell button to place your sell limit order. You'll see a confirmation screen with the details of your order. You can also view and manage your open orders in the orders section of your account. And that's it. You've successfully set a sell limit order on Kraken, empowering you to automate your trading and capture profits at your desired price points. Now go forth and trade strategically.